Welcome back, boys and girls. Today I have a gardening story for you. It is called Planting Seeds. It is also a counting book in a way. Do you know how to count from 1 to 10? On every page, you are going to see one more bunny than there was on the previous page. See if you can guess the number before I turn the page. Here we go. Planting seeds. One brown bunny digs the soil. Two brown bunnies plant the seeds. Three brown bunnies water the sprouts. Four brown bunnies pull up weeds. 5 brown bunnies welcome the rain. 6 brown bunnies greet the sun. 7 brown bunnies bring out baskets. 8 brown bunnies each pick some. 9 brown bunnies make a treat. 10 brown bunnies, time to eat. The end. Boys and girls, what did the bunnies plant? What do they need to do to take care of the seeds? What kind of treat do you think they made at the end? Was it carrot cake? No, they seem to be eating it out of bowls. They cooked it in a pot on the stove. What could it be? My guess would be carrot soup. And this is Emily. She says hello. I hope that you enjoyed the book. See you next time. Bye.